Hello and welcome to this small tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your external self-hosted server with Minehut. So the very first thing you want to do is create yourself a Minehut account if you didn't do so already, and head over to your dashboard. So you just want to create a new server, and this will cost you 800 credits a month, so it isn't completely free, but 800 credits a month is about $5, so it's not too much. What you want to do is you want to go to one of your servers and click the change plan button, right? There you can scroll down and select the server you want, and click change plan again, and you want to select the external server plan. As you can see, it's going to tell you it's cost 800 credits a month, and that is what you want to select. Just gonna that. And as we can see, if I scroll down to that server, it became an external server. So you want to just click manage server, and here you can put in your server information. So now let's set up the resources that we will need on your external server. So this is my SFTP connection with my external server, and what you want to do is you want to head in your home folder, and you want to create a new folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Minehut for this tutorial. Okay, now you want to enter that folder, go to your browser again, and head over to paper.msc.io. And you want to click on downloads and select just the newest version. This tutorial is also for just a standalone simple paper spigot server. I will perhaps do another tutorial on a bungee cord or velocity network and how to set that up. Okay, you wanna the jar just that you've just downloaded, just pull that into your folder that you have created. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to copy or create a new file, and it's gonna be called, you want to call it start.sh, or you can also call it boot.sh or whatever, but typically you call it start.sh. Okay, and this will create a new text file, and what you basically want to do is you want to type what's down below here. Just change a few things. So start off with the screen, minus this. Call your screen basically something, just gonna call it Minehut. Now we have some Java arguments. Java is jar, and now we can define how much RAM the server should have. I'm just gonna give it 1 gig because it's a small test server. And now we wanna put the file name that we have here. I'm just going to rename this because we don't really need the version number afterwards, so I'm just going to call it paper 1.19.3.jar, like that. Now we have to do or add something in here actually for it to be able to connect with Minehut. There's actually an official instruction from Minehut itself. It's a text instruction. It looks like this, right? And this basically goes through the whole process. I will leave the link down below for you to actually look at that, and that will also explain how to do it on a velocity or waterfall server, Lilypad as well. Basically, we want to add following flags to our jar file. Okay, so we have here, as you can see, we have our flag that you want to let's put the jar here. This is now our flag. Okay, now we want to add these flags, basically all of these, right, into between that xmx1g and minus jar. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, this is all we needed. That should work now. Now as soon as we save the file, it's gonna get created, and now you want to head over to your SSH client again, and you want to navigate to that folder. So it's gonna be /home/minehut, minehut. And if you type ls, you can see there are two files in here. We have the jar file and the start.sh file. We want to type chmod sh mod 777 start.sh. Now you can just type /start.sh, and it's going to download the a few files. And as soon as it says loading libraries, please wait. Everything worked perfectly. If you now refresh it, a few files have been created. First thing you want to do is you want to head into this euler.txt file and set euler equals false to euler equals true. Otherwise your server is not going to start. Now you want to open the server.properties file, and you want to change actually a few things. So basically this is where you can set your MHAD of your server now. Everything is optional in here, you can do whatever you want, but you want to set and for secure profile to false, otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm just gonna set a different server port because I'm using 25565 already. I'm just gonna do 25580. This doesn't matter. I would suggest you to leave it on default though. Yeah, so basically this is what we did now, and we can try and start the server again. Now it should just directly load the libraries, and as you can see, if we refresh the folder again, there are a bunch of more files here. So it's gonna generate our world, and as you can see, as soon as it says done, the server is finished loading. Okay, now you want to head back to Minehut, and on your external server, what you want to do is you want to paste your server IP here. This would be, in my case, let me see, I'm just gonna copy it from here, I think. Just copy that, basically. Okay, and you wanna place it right here. Okay. If you have a proxy, so basically velocity or waterfall, just select that there. If you have a standalone server like we have at the moment, just select other. Okay. a DNS record type, just leave it on port, and you want to enter here you want to put in your server port like that, G5i80. This is my port that I set. Basically these have to match with your server's port. TCP shield, if you have TCP shield configured and you know how that works, you can set this to configured externally, but if not, just leave it as not configured. Now you click on update, and basically that's it. Now if we head over to Minecraft, and if we now add a server and put in our Minehut domain, heyfarm.minehut.gg, like that, and we scroll down, it's gonna say ping. See what I forgot, what you want to do is go to server config, say, or go to paper config, go to config right here, go to paper globally.yml. And what you want to do is you want to set proxy protocol to true. So you can just search for that option. And here under proxies, proxy protocol, just set that to true. That, okay. And now just restart the server. So basically type stop, and it's going to shut down. And now just type /start.sh. Now if we disconnect again, and the server has started. They did it pretty fast since the vault didn't have to be generated. It was only 1.8 seconds. If we refresh now, we can see the MOTD we selected, a Minecraft server, 0 out of 10 players. And if we connect here and check the console, as you can see it says Philip joined the game, and we are on the server. Now we can also, if you type /hub, we will get sent to the Minehut lobby. If we type /join hey farm, we will get sent on our external server again, just like that. Oh, we even have a player here. Hello. Okay, that's basically it. I hope I've helped you with this small tutorial, and leave a like if I should make another video on the Velocity external server, and enjoy.